Welcome to my Alice and Bob game. It's kinda like Alice and Bob, that of Quantum Eraser, but with one significant difference. My Alice and Bob are on the same planet, unlike Quantum Eraser, who put them on two colliding planets, and I took liberty to draw those dashed lines to show you. So back to our game of Alice and Bob. They are on the North Pole, the geographical North Pole. And we all agree, Globers and Flat Earthers, that it's a spot that exists on the Earth, whatever the shape of the Earth is. And there's a lot of observations that matches the prediction for both models. Kinda, yeah. So Alice and Bob are facing away from each other, and they will move south. Both of them, each one is going to move south. Bearing in mind that Alice is moving on longitude east 30 degrees and Bob is on west 150 degrees. Now, during that trip for each of them, they're going to see some features in the sky, and they both are going to end this trip when they reach latitude -40. That's south of the equator. So let's see what they are going to observe. So here's Alice's observation, and you can see that she's on longitude 30 and latitude 89, close enough to the North Pole. And I pre-selected a star that's called Acrox. You can see the name on the upper left corner. And that's how the sky appears to rise because of their movement. And there you can see the star with the circle around it, the star Acrox. I'm not sure if that's how to say its name, but it's from the Southern Cross. So now we're on latitude 40 south. Moving on to Bob observation, you can see he's on longitude west 150 and also started from 89 north, and also pre-selected the star Acrox, and he's moving and continue moving until he reach -40 south latitude. There he is. And now you can see there's a difference in elevation. Now let's see that significant of elevation angle for the star Acrox for both of them, starting with Alice. Alice had an elevation angle for the star with around 66 point, let's say 66 and a half. So we can know the distance to the GP of the star, 90 minus 66.5 multiplied by 60 nautical mile. That's 1,410 nautical miles. And now we move to Bob. The elevation angle of the star Acrox was 13 1/3 of a degree, so we can also get the distance to the geographical position of the star, and it would be 4,600 nautical miles. Now, to recap, Alice and Bob started in the North Pole facing away from each other. After some while, they are facing each other and they are going to meet at some point. Not Acrox GP because it's closer to Alice than Bob, but some point in the middle, opposite to the North Pole. What would that be? Now, if anyone would like to say that stellarium is not a reference, stellarium is just a visual representation to data that is already there. You can look it up, you can find it. You can find the geographical position of the star Acrox at any time, and then you can get the opposite longitude for observing that star. Yeah, this is not going to be a celestial navigation class, so you do your own research before saying stellarium is not working or is not accurate. And that's it. See you in the next one.